So, if there's one feature on Mercari that I think a lot of sellers really underestimate, it's offers, hands down. And honestly, this is one of the biggest areas where I've seen real results, especially, over the past few months as I've been implementing it more and more. Because on Mercari, buyer interest does not always turn into immediate purchases. A lot of people browse, a lot of people compare, a lot of people like items and wait, and that usually means that if you're just listing inventory and then hoping buyers come back and purchase at full price on their own, you're leaving a lot of money on the table and you're doing it, where realistically it's super easy to just clean that up, okay? And likes are not just vanity metrics, not just on Mercari, but across the board. They're actually buying signals, not perfect signals, of course, but signals nonetheless. When somebody likes your item, they're telling you that that product caught their attention. They might not be ready to buy that second. They might be price sensitive, or maybe they're comparing other options across the board to other websites or whatever the case is. Or maybe they're waiting to see whether the seller will blink first and make them an offer, right? And that is why offers matter so much. Offers create movement. They create urgency, which is huge for selling. They make the buyer feel like they're getting a deal. And sometimes they are the exact kind of push needed to turn that maybe into a sale. This is true on a lot of marketplaces across the board. I've talked about this on Poshmark, obviously Facebook Marketplace, literally all of them. It's important. But I think it's especially true and especially important on Mercari because the platform naturally supports that behavior so well. Buyers on Mercari are used to the idea of deals, right? They're used to price movement. They're used to interacting with listings in a way that feels a bit more dynamic than just fixed priced shopping. So if you're not actively using offers as part of your selling strategy, you're missing out on one of the platform's most important tools. Now, of course, that does not mean that you should offer so aggressively that you destroy your margins, right? That's not the point. You should obviously have your margins already built in, like I've talked about on other platforms as well, anticipating that you're going to make offers. The point is to use these offers strategically. You want enough margin built into your price already so that when the time comes to send an offer, you can make a healthy profit while increasing the chance of a conversion. That's why pricing and offers are not just, unrelated, they're connected and they're intertwined. They're not separate decisions. You do not just pick a price and then forget about it. You pick a price with your future offer strategy in mind. And this becomes even more powerful at scale, of course. If you only have 20 listings, maybe you can manage all your prices and your offers very easily. But if you have hundreds or thousands, or in my case, a much larger inventory count, it becomes very hard to manually keep up with that kind of follow-up consistently. Realistically, it's impossible. And that's where things started to really change for me because one of the biggest improvements that I've seen on Mercari came from simply making sure that offers were going out consistently on all my products that had likes on them. Not occasionally, not when I felt like it or when I remembered, not only when I had some time, downtime after the kids went to bed or whatever the case is, consistently. And when that happens, you start creating more opportunities for sales without having to create more listings or do more sourcing in that exact moment. You are squeezing more value out of the inventory that you already have up, that you already have listing. And that is a huge leverage point. So as you can see here, just in the back end of my Mercari, we are on the actual offers page right here and the chats page. And you can see like this one right here was an example of an offer that went out automatically. And the buyer actually didn't see it in time, but what happened? They came back to that offer when they were notified and they remade the same offer. Now, it was slightly lower. I'm pretty sure just off the top of my head, this is already profitable. My VA will process this soon in an offer that we wouldn't have already otherwise had. Now, if we scroll down, you could see my offer bot literally made this offer. That person expired and then they declined it. Right here, expired offer, but I accepted that offer for a bundle. This is an offer that went out, person declined it. This is an offer that I got, actually, this is an offer that somebody made me. Again, perfect example. This is an offer that went out in the past, $29.97. This person returned and made an offer for even more that I accepted recently. This person asked if I was flexible on the price. The offer bot, Sidekick Tools, went back, made them an offer. Now this expired, but again, they might come back and then it might make them an offer as well. And if you even click right here, you can literally see auto offer to likers, auto offer to likers, auto offer to likers an hour ago. It's just going through all my listings and making coordinated offers to likers based on those specific listings. So not just do I have, tens of thousands of listings up that could potentially get sales, but also when people like and interact with that listing, they're going to get a timed offer in the future. And it's just going to constantly hit that list of people that engage with that product listing and make that offer, which is going to simulate a deal for them, simulate urgency because obviously it's a timed offer, and then also potentially drive sales and more profit into my pocket for literally no extra work. All I'm doing is picking up the low-hanging fruit, cleaning it up, collecting more potential sales, and literally showcasing my products again to people that have already shown buying intent for them, all right? So this is Sidekick Tools. Obviously, it's a phenomenal software that doesn't just make offers on Mercari. It also does Poshmark, Whatnot, Depop, a number of others. You can see I have it on my phone right here. Boom. You can't really see it right there, but I'll drop some screenshots of the actual thing up on the board right now. When I was doing this for Poshmark, it's a little bit more in depth because you have to do a share bot and an offer bot, so the settings are a little bit more in depth. With Mercari, it's super simple. So obviously, as you sign in, you can literally see there's scrolling, like there's tabs, there's Poshmark, there's Mercari, eBay, Depop, Whatnot, obviously, right? Now, if you're on the Mercari tab and you connect your store to Sidekick Tools here, you'll be able to set it up. You just go to automation settings in the top right, click on that little tool icon, and this is where you're going to see the offers to likers. You toggle that on. Again, I'll drop this screenshot up on the screen for you so you can see. It's very easy to set up. All you literally need to do is you set your listing discount. The lowest you can have is 10%. Then you set your maximum discount percentage allowed, and then you select your send interval in days. So you can see mine up on the screen. I literally have a minimum discount of 10%. Maximum discount percentage allowed is 20%. The send intervals is 3 days. So every 3 days, it starts sending offers to people that have liked listings and cleaning them up. And it needs at least one liker on that listing. Now, you can set that higher if you want 3, 5, 10, whatever the case is. Obviously, I want it every single time somebody likes a listing to then send an offer out to that specific person, right? You could also add other rules and other specific, for specific items if you want. I didn't do that. You can also set up and configure the relisting settings if you would like to relist your stale inventory and constantly have that going. I'm not doing that specifically because we're not tracking stock and inventory, so we have a different system going on, but you could do that if you wanted to. And literally just doing this, I promise you, will drive your sales up 50 to 100 to 200%, maybe even more. I've literally seen this anecdotally across the board, not just on Poshmark, not just on Mercari, but literally with every shop that I've connected this to and started making automated offers to likers. It's been a game changer. I cannot recommend this enough. Again, it is stupidly easy to set up. That's all you have to do. Connect it into Sidekick Tools, your store. Literally have it set up so that it's making automated offers to likers and continue about your business, listing, doing product research like you normally would. And I guarantee you this drives your sales up through the roof. So really hope that this helps, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.